Hello everyone, this is Charles Warburton, and I want to make a quick little video to help prepare you for the Common Final Exam in Stats 251. So the final exam in Stats 251 will have 15 questions, and the topics on the final exam are laid out on the picture on the left-hand side of your screen. You can see the 15 problems and the corresponding topics. So the first 6 problems will deal with probabilities and probability distributions. Some of it will be reviewed from Math 151. So underneath those topics, we have some specifics like problems 1 through 6 will include things like the multiplication rule, the addition rule, discrete probabilities, and normal probabilities. Problems 7 through 8 deal with confidence intervals on the means and proportion. Problems 9 through 11, you're going to have to do a hypothesis test for means, proportions, and on 2 samples. Problems 12 through 13 will be problems dealing with correlation and regression. Problem 14 will be dealing with chi-square, test for independence. And problem 15, you'll have to do a one-way ANOVA. So how are you going to prepare for the final exam? Well, what I did was, you can see over on the left-hand side on the document, I have the topics and the subtopics, but I also have something beside the subtopics that are these little number codes that I put in here. And these number codes are hopefully going to be helpful when you go to review for the final exam. And what you're going to do is you're going to use these number codes in My Lab Statistics. So you'll go to Blackboard, you'll go to My Lab Statistics, and then what you're going to go to is you're going to go to something called the study plan. I'll show you how to get there in just a second. And on that study plan, what you're going to do is you're going to be using this number code here, and this number code will show you how to prepare for each one of these subtopics. So for example, in this one, the very first one, the number code is 3.2.32, for example, 3.2.32, and the study plan, let me take you there, will look like this. So I'm in my Blackboard course shell. On the left-hand ribbon here, we got My Lab Statistics. I'll go in there. Once you're in My Lab Statistics, scroll down until you find that study plan I'm talking about. So here, it should be here soon. There's the homework, the quizzes and tests. There's what I want, the study plan, My Lab Statistics study plan. Click on that. That's going to help you prepare for your final exam. Then once you're in My Lab Statistics, use that numbering system that I use, and you might want to write on a separate sheet of paper so you don't have to keep going back and forth, but like on that very first one, to prepare, you're going to want to go to 3.2.32, and here's how you do that. 3.2 means that you go to Chapter 3, Section 2, and just click on it. This is all the problems on Chapter 3, Section 2, so 3.2.32. You can find that, there it is, 3.2.32. And if you click on it, that will give you lots of helps. That will give you the help me solve this, that will give you the view an example. Let's see what we got here. Help me solve this, view an example, video, we got the textbook, we got the Stat Crunch, you can even connect to a tutor there. So that should help with the preparation of the final exam. And what I would recommend doing is doing that for each one of these topics. So for instance, you'll need to go to 3.3.18. Remember what that means is that means you'll need to go to the study plan and click on Chapter 3, Section 3, number 18 in the study plan, and that should help you. Okay, well, that hopefully will be a big help for preparing for the final exam. I want to congratulate you on making it to the end, and I hope you finish strong and stay safe.